Hi guys, here's Tusia Lech with video tutorial for Soul Journey 2018. I want to show you how I created an art journal page. The base of my page is a sheet of canvas from Finnabair Denim art journal. At the very beginning I primed it with clear gesso. As you can see, I did it very carefully. Then I took golden high flow, teal and magenta and white, three colors, and I mixed them. I added some water and I start covering my canvas art journal page. I wanted to have lighter colors, so I have added white both to teal and to magenta. Sometimes I needed to add a little bit water. Sometimes I used my fingers. Art journaling for me is something which I do for relaxation. As you can see, I blended two colors a little bit and I dried everything with heating tool. Now you can see Chipboard from UmWowStudio paint chips collection. They work very well with all kind of paints and media. Now you can see a three-dimensional gloss gel medium mixed with ArtSugar from Finnabair and also with golden high flow magenta. I wanted to add some color and some shimmer, so I mixed everything quite well. And I took a stencil from UmWowStudio and I started to apply my paste through the stencil using silicone brush. The layer is sometimes thicker, sometimes thinner, but it's on purpose. When everything dried, I took a white heavy gesso and a stencil also from UmWowStudio, and I applied white heavy gesso through the stencil. I waited a little bit so it would dry. And I took some stamps. You can see stamps from UmWowStudio paint chips collection and Embossing Ink. It's kind of invisible ink, but very useful for using with embossing powders. Here is a white embossing powder from American Crafts. As you can see, the powder is melting. Now it's time for other embellishment. Here you can see chipboard from UmWowStudio paint chips collection, a chipboard from UmWowStudio, and some paper elements from UmWowStudio paint chips collection. The colors match my background, so I decided to use these elements. I have my magic glue. I like it a lot because it dries very quickly and it's totally clear when it dries. Now, as you can see, I started working with elements. It's always kind of creative process to decide where to put which element. So it's everything up to your imagination and creativity. Here is a wooden butterfly, and as you can see, I use a lot of 3D foamies. I like things are dimensional. Also layering is a great technique and I use it very often. Things look much more interesting. I choose matching colors. Here you can see flares from UmWowStudio. I'm trying to put it somewhere. As you can see, it's absolutely creative, ongoing process. I do not plan anything when I start. I'm just going with the flow. The whole fun is with being creative, not planning everything. I'm adding some small elements like UmWowStudio Sequin, Chipboard pieces. And now one of my very favorite thing, word stickers from UmWowStudio. There are fabulous quotes and words that I like very much. You can find text for almost all occasions. Trust in the process, yes, so very true. As you can see, I'm using 3D foamies because I like some elements are not flat. So it's almost done, just a little bit stamping. You can see UmWowStudio Thoughtskeeper clear stamps and Ranger archival ink, jet black, one of my very favorites. I'm adding here and there a little bit of stamping. Here is the word moments and also the word love. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. I encourage you to be creative and just going with the flow. I do believe in a therapeutic power of art journaling. Thank you very much. Bye bye.